Well, from battlefield Tamil Nadu to battlefield Bengal, and both states will be going to elections together next year. It's day 2 of Home Minister Amit Shah's Bengal visit today. Amit Shah will also be holding a press conference at 6 p.m. in Kolkata, which is expected to take political temperatures between the BJP and Mamata Banerjee even higher. Earlier today, he visited Kolkata's Dakshineshwar Kali temple. Speaking to the press, he said that the state has been tarnished by appeasement politics and prayed to Goddess Kali for the well-being of the state under BJP rule. Amit Shah has said that the BJP will come to power with a 2/3 majority in the state elections next year. Amit Shah also met vocalist Pandit Ajoy Chakravarti at his South Kolkata residence as part of the BJP's outreach program. Next, the Home Minister held an organizational meeting with district-level leaders to discuss the party's poll strategy. In a bid to woo Bengal's second-largest SC, scheduled caste community, Amit Shah will have lunch with the Matwa community members. Matwas have a stronghold on more than 10 assembly seats in Nadia and North 24 Parganas district. Yesterday, Amit Shah had lunch with tribal community members as well. The Trinamool, meanwhile, tweeted saying that Amit Shah is ignorant about Bengal's culture, claiming that he insulted tribal icon Birsa Munda by garlanding a wrong idol.
जिस प्रकार से अपीसमेंट की पॉलिटिक्स, तुष्टीकरण की पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है, इससे बंगाल की ये महान परंपरा आहत हुई है। मैं आज यहां से बंगाल की महान जनता को आह्वान करना चाहता हूं कि आध्यात्मिक और धार्मिक चेतना का केंद्र बंगाल जो पूरे देश का बना, पूरे देश का रहा, वो गौरव फिर से एक बार बंगाल प्राप्त करे। इसलिए आप सब एकमुश्त होकर, जागरूक होकर अपने अपने दायित्व का निर्वहन करें।
माननीय अमित शाह जी आज दक्षिणेश्वर आए थे और महिला मोर्चा के सारे योद्धाएं इधर मौजूद थे। शंख, उलुध्वनि, वरुण का ये जो थाला, चंदन का टीका, सब कुछ देकर उनको वरुण किया गया, अभ्यर्थना किया गया और अंदर जाके वो पूजा दिए। बंगाल का जो संस्कृति है वो हम लोग को जगाना है, वो वापस लाना है। तो ये हम लोग का विश्वास है कि 2021 में जब बीजेपी सरकार बनाएंगे तो बंगाल का जो संस्कृति है वो फिर से जाग उठेगा।
Home Minister Amit Shah is on a 2-day tour to West Bengal, but today would be the second day with a lot more political action. He will be visiting areas on fringes of Kolkata and North 24 Parganas, will be having lunch with the Matwa community representatives, and there will be a lot of political reading into it too. But I'm here in the Keshtapur area, and which has a significance of the Matwa community. They have a stronghold of about 8 to 10 seats, and across this district of North 24 Parganas, the impact is such that there's also a political war raging on the posters as well as the flags of political parties. On one hand, there are posters of Home Minister Amit Shah, and on the other, there are posters of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Amidst all that, there are also flags of the party that have been almost placed overnight to ensure that every political flag of every party, especially the two arch rivals in Bengal, is there back to back next to each other. This is also a message that is being sent as far as the visit of Home Minister Amit Shah is concerned, as he will be having lunch with the Matwa community and will also be visiting their temple. It's also the vote bank politics that continues, especially with the focus on Assembly 2021 in Bengal. With camera person Tapas Behri and Arindam Bhattacharya, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.